I'm moving on. Got the open road ahead of me, chasing highway lines to get to my dreams. Moving on, moving on. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't there yet. Let this heart of mine be the GPS. Moving on.
Good morning. I'm Meddena from the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. I wanted to show you something you may not have thought of when you go traveling on the road in an RV. To stay healthy, and my doctor says I need the juice every day, I drink fresh juices. So I wanted to show you this morning, this juice is better than coffee for waking you up. So, let me pull it out a little bit more. I don't want it to bump there. Alright. Alright, can you get a picture down inside of that? This is a really neat juicer. Now, to be honest, this is my Christmas present from my precious husband because our juicer went out and I borrowed my daughter's. And so it's the first time I've used it, but I'm in love with the looks of it for sure. So I'm going to add 3 oranges. Well, if I cut them up, I could add more. And a lemon. And I hadn't even drunk anything yet. Alright. Watch how this thing just chews it up. Can't see, so I have it. See it starting? Look here. Look over here. Look how dry that is. That's the pulp. You can do things with the pulp. I mean, you can probably make some orange bread or something. I don't know. But I'm using 4 oranges, a lemon, and 2 grapefruit. Grapefruit is really good for waking. Look at that. Ah, can't wait to taste it. Open it up. Put another one in. There we go. Okay, so next time, this, like I said, this is the first time I've used it. So next time I'll cut it up in smaller pieces. It probably will do better. Man, look over here, Tommy. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? I like it. Okay, I'm going to do this and let it fill up a little bit. I'm going to put that and a grapefruit in, and I'm going to cut it up because I want it to go a little bit better. The one thing they advertise about this juicer is that you can walk off and leave it. As you can see, it's not bumping and grinding. With my other one, I had to stand there and push the fruit down, and sometimes it was like trying to push it down. This is just doing it. Now, I'm going to add something that may have made... Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste that. Doesn't that look good? You can't taste it because of the grapefruit, but I can make you an orange juice. Look at that. The other juicer did not work like this. Alright, now when I add these last 2 items I'm going to add, or 3 items,
what is the name of this juicer?
It's a Nama. N-A-M-A. Okay, these peppers right here, when I'm juice fasting, and this is day 11, day 10 of my juice fast. 11. Day 11 of my juice fast. The one thing I miss about eating is spicy foods. These are 5 times hotter than a jalapeno. Yeah. My husband's making a face y'all can't see. So I'm going to just drop them down in there. This one won't fit. Oh, did you hear that? There it went. Ginger, which is very good for you. Alright, I'm going to open it up and put this in there. I love this. I don't have to cut anything up except, you know, if I want it to really work on the juice, I might cut it up. Look at this. I can't even try it to eat because you're not supposed to put food in your mouth. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Woo! I'm going to have a full thing of juice. This is going to be enough probably for 4 jars. We shall see. I don't want it to overfill, so I have to be careful. Can you look down in there and see it working? Look down in there. Look over here. I do know there's some things you can make. Yeah, I better watch out. Alright, let's see if we can get that last little piece to go. Maybe not. Let's see. I want all the grapefruit down in there. Alright. There it goes. So now let me show you what I will do. I'm probably going to juice some more things because I don't want to have to clean the juicer without... Okay, first of all, I'm going to stir it up. Because we don't want the hot on top. Now, I could add an apple to this. I could add strawberries to this. I really could add anything I wanted. And to make it pretty, I probably would add strawberries. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up my jars. And every morning, and if I'm craving hot, I will drink one of these. I don't think it's only going to make 2. That's okay. 2 and then a little bit. So let me try that little bit and let people see what it... Oh, I hope it ain't too hot. You just about can't get too hot for me. Not too hot at all. Now, in fact, I don't even really taste the heat. And I know it's hot because I juiced one yesterday and it was really hot. So, this is my breakfast juice for the next 2 days. Unless I decide to drink it earlier. Let me show you some apples. Okay? Okay. Oh, sorry, Grace, Maggie.
Megs.
Maggie got scared.
Maggie thinks she's getting some food for her. Even though they be eating this morning and Dina pours some bacon grease over their food, they're spoiled rotten. And you got Gracie right there, Maggie right there, and Moses laying in the sunshine on the seat there.
Okay. So these have already been washed. Well, let's go ahead and cut them in half just to make it a little bit easier on this juicer. It is brand new. I don't want it to think it came to an abusive home. I'm just going to cut them in 4ths.
You're going to show cleaning it too, right?
Yeah. It's supposed to be pretty easy, but now it may be, I've got to take it apart, and that may be, it took me a little bit to figure out how to put it together, but it wasn't bad once I looked. Okay. Those apples sound so delicious, don't they? Tommy likes the apples.
Eat up all my apples.
Y'all, you don't have to buy an expensive juicer, but Tommy can tell you, I have been through 3 juicers in 15 years. And
hold on a minute.
Maggie,
no. Come here. Maggie, here. Maggie, come here.
Oh. Okay, so here we go. Anyway, I've been through quite a few juicers in the past 15 years, and I'm hoping this is the final one. It came with a warranty. Y'all, I'm so impressed because normally what I'm doing is putting one apple at a time down through there, then chopping it up. And this is just working without any trouble at all. Look at that. See how it makes food, okay? The spinach is something. Nope, I'm gonna have to buy some new spinach. Is that still good? Is that still good? Okay, it is. Maggie likes it. No, I'm not gonna trust it. That's
You give them to your dog?
oh yeah, dogs love all this stuff. You wanna see something funny? Watch this. This is no lie. Watch this. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. You like the apple too? They would eat it. They love the apple. Okay. So, you want to try the apple juice? I'm going to pour some in with this for me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can find you a little glass. Try this apple. Try that apple.
You had hot in there.
Fresh. No, it's not. You won't taste hot. I promise.
It's good.
No sugar added.
It's very
just
good.
blood sugar. Okay, so now I need to... Here, Maggie. Eat the rest of that. Maggie, you made a mess in the floor.
She didn't like the spinach
She didn't
either.
like the spinach, no. Alright. Cut it off just a minute and let me clean this up so that I can...
Max. Maggie. 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 This morning, Maggie is a good morning, Maggie. Good
Okay,
morning,
ready?
Maggie. Okay.
Alright. So now we're going to take it apart to clean it. You can see I haven't cleaned up my mess yet. We're trying to do this pretty quick. Let's see. I think I have to take it off.
You don't know how to do it and you want me to film this?
I know, right? Take it off here first. Okay? And then I can take it off this way. You have to put it together. You have to put it together to sit it on the base because of this little thing right here. So this has to be rinsed out and cleaned. And I have a strainer in the bottom of my sink to catch all this stuff, so it's not going anywhere but in the little strainer. This pops out. This pops out. Nope. This pops out here. Like that. See? You rinse all that. Of course, I'm going to wash it too. I'm just getting the junk off before I put it in the soapy water. Maggie, stop. And as you can tell, it's not real hard. They give you a brush to clean it with.
Maggie's jealous because I'm not paying attention to her. Okay, we're cleaning the juicer.
The only place I had a hard time getting it out of is right here. I'm not really sure what that spot is, but that's a little hard to get it out of there. So let me see if I can flush it out. It is not flushing out.
Start it from the other side.
You can. It's right there. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, thank you, Mr. Green. Look at you. You're so smart. How'd you get that smart? Oh, I know. You were married to me. Okay. So now that's done. And then we have this. And we've got this part right here that opens up. Look how easy that is. And you can peel all that out and feed it to your dogs. And then you just rinse the pulp out. And of course, you gotta rinse that out too. Guys, basically that's it. Now all I gotta do is just wash it with soap and water and we'll let it. Hope I can put that back on. I didn't know that came off.
Tell me, hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you would consider juicing and you want to know some more information, give me a holler, because it dropped my cholesterol 50 points just juicing one juice a day.
It's an all-night drive leaving this small town.